Right there, this is a short video just to show you how to assemble the bracket that goes on a BMW E93, which is a 3 Series convertible. And the part number is 54377204892. The 2 at the end makes it the offside, and if it was a 1 at the end, it'd be the Nearside unit. So this is the offside one that I'm working with. I'm just going to show you how to quickly assemble it prior to fitting it on the vehicle. So what you've got here is the actual bracket. You've got a spring, you've got 2 plastic washers, and you've got the pin. Now at the bottom of the pin, that's not on the video, there's a clip that goes on here, and that's to finalize it when you're fitting it, just to lock it in place. And so what you need to do also, you've got another plastic, what shall I say, like a washer tube. So what you need to do is put the plastic washer in here, the tube, put these washers on here. If you look at the washer there, you can see it's got a bit like a small neck on it, and the neck's got to fit inside the bracket. So what'll happen is it'll push in and stick into it, as you can see it is there. So you got to make sure that's in right and tight. Same with the other one. If you don't get these in tight, the spring won't go back in easily. I'm just checking it for measurement that it'll fit. So what you need to do is put that in there, in between the spring. And then hold it into place like that. Make sure the middle of the spring's sitting on here. That's like a leverage point. And at the top, just squeeze it in there. And then in the middle it will click. You can hear that click. And what you do actually when you get to the vehicle, you'll have 2 bolts that are the fastening bit is M6. You'll have 2 of these that attach to the vehicle like that, and the other one's like that as well. So that comes at the end there. So what you need to do is when you get to the vehicle is put this against the flap that has come off on the car, and then this needs to slide through here. And if you've got it in flush right, you've got to do this anyway just to make sure it all aligns up, and then take it back out when you get to the car, and you align it with the bracket, slide that through. It's either that way or the other way. And once it's through, you need to put a clip on there and make sure these 2 are fastened to the C-post on the vehicle. This is just a short video. Thank you.